Chapter 3. Our Body Organs. The organ systems. When a group of organs together work for a specific function, it is called an organ system. There are many organ systems in the body. Example, the digestive system, the respiratory system, the circulatory system, the nervous system, and the excretory system. The digestive system. The digestive system helps to break down the food we eat so that the nutrients are absorbed and the waste is thrown out. The process of digestion begins as soon as we put food into our mouth. The teeth grind the food and it is mixed well with saliva, a sticky substance present inside our mouth. The saliva changes the food into a sugar called glucose. After the food is chewed, it is swallowed and sent to the stomach through the food pipe or the esophagus. In the stomach, the food particles are churned well and mixed with gastric juices. The walls of the stomach produce an acid that helps in digestion. Other internal organs such as the gallbladder, pancreas, and liver also help in digestion. From the stomach, the food goes to the small intestine. Here, essential substances from the food, called nutrients, are absorbed into the blood. The leftover food then enters the large intestine. Here again, some amount of nutrients and water gets absorbed into the blood. The remaining solid waste product is pushed by the large intestine into the rectum. From the rectum, you push out the waste through the anus when you go to the toilet every morning. The respiratory system. The air we breathe in goes inside our body through the nose. This is called inhalation. From the nose, the air goes down the windpipe towards the lungs. We have two lungs. The lungs help in respiration. Respiration is a process by which oxygen from the air we breathe in is absorbed into the blood and carbon dioxide is removed from the blood. With each breath, the lungs add fresh oxygen to our blood. The impure air full of carbon dioxide is then exhaled or breathed out. The lungs are protected by a cage-like structure made of bones. It is known as the rib cage. When the windpipe gets choked, people suffer from asthma and other breathing disorders. They use an inhaler which releases a drug that widens the air passages, making breathing easier. The circulatory system. The heart pumps blood and the blood is circulated to different parts of our body through blood vessels. The heart, blood, and blood vessels make up the circulatory system. The heart pumps 72 times in a minute. It has two pumps, each forming one side of the heart. A thick wall of muscle called the septum divides the two sides. Each side has two chambers separated by a one-way valve. The upper chamber is called the atrium, where blood accumulates. The lower part is the main pumping chamber called the ventricle. The blood vessels carrying blood to different parts of the body are of three types: veins, arteries, and capillaries. Veins carry impure blood from different parts of the body back to the heart. They are, therefore, represented in blue. Arteries carry pure blood to different parts of the body from the heart. The circulatory system is the main transportation and cooling system for the body. The nervous system. The brain, spinal cord, and the vast network of nerves form the nervous system. The brain thinks for the entire body. It sends signals to different parts of the body through a network of nerves from the nervous system. The brain is protected by a bony box called the skull. The brain has three main parts: cerebellum, cerebrum, and medulla. The cerebellum controls the voluntary movements of our body, such as running, walking, throwing, holding, etc. The cerebrum controls the balance of our body. The medulla regulates the involuntary activities like heartbeat, breathing, etc. The nerves are a bundle of thread like telephone wires that connect the brain and the spinal cord to the other parts of the body. The spinal cord is a thick bundle of nerves connecting the brain to the rest of the body. It starts from the back portion of the brain and continues down to the lowest end of the backbone. It is protected by the spinal column, backbone. It carries information from the brain to the other nerves of our body. The excretory system. The excretory system helps us throw out the waste from our body. The kidneys, skin, and the lungs are all parts of excretory system. Lungs help to throw out carbon dioxide from the body. The skin helps in removing excess salt and water from the body through sweat. Kidneys are the most important organs of the excretory system. There are 2 kidneys in our body. Each consists of tiny filters called nephrons, which filter the waste out of the blood. The waste produced combines with water to form urine. The urine gets collected in the urinary bladder. When the bladder is about halfway full, we feel the need to pass urine.